Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to leave a space on Google Chat using your PC. If you've recently joined a team chat or project group that you no longer need to be part of, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to remove yourself in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that's connected to your chat. Once you're on the page, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo, and right next to it, there's a small grid of 9 dots. This is what's known as the Google Apps menu. Click on those 9 dots, and from the list of available Google tools, select Chat. That will open Google Chat in a new tab or window. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see your recent conversations and spaces listed along the left-hand side of the screen. Next, find the specific space you want to leave. You can scroll through the list if you're part of several spaces, or use the search bar at the top to locate it faster. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the space name. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appear next to it. These dots are your quick menu options. Click on those 3 dots, and a small menu will appear with several choices. From that list, select Leave. A confirmation message will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to leave this space. This step helps make sure you don't accidentally remove yourself from an important chat. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Leave Again. And just like that, you're out of the space. You'll no longer receive messages or notifications from that group, and it will disappear from your sidebar. That's all it takes to leave a space on Google Chat after the new update. It's quick, clean, and keeps your chat list organized so you can focus on the conversations that matter most. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more of our tips for using Google Chat efficiently.